Aarti, and the great leader I admire the most is Subhash Chandra Bose. So his qualities is leadership qualities. Netaji action motivated Indian youth to be active awaken, which is ultimately forced Britishers to rethink about India's independence. He was very disciplined, selfless, and inspiring with strong confidence on his own capabilities. And the very important, has a clear goal of independent India. He exhibited development of a dedicated team, strong command, and extreme coolness of mind in any situation. He is also demonstrated his clear vision and high risk-taking capability. He was a great patriot and also called patriot of patriot as he formed Indians' first armed force, Azad Hind Fauj, to fight against the Britishers. Diplomacy. So Netaji, when realized that the British would have to be hard passed to leave India, he visited Germany and Japan to get their support, as he determined that enemies was a friend. So he has a selfless contribution also. He was selected for the Indian Civil Services, but he refused to take up the services and joined Indian National Congress and devoted himself for the freedom of the India. He was an excellent administrator also. He formed Indian National Army and was the first leader to give weapons to women fight for their own country. He traveled to countries and convinced them for World War II to join his army. This destabilized the British power in India, as they did not have enough army to rule after that. Thank you.